Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluchi, a Nigerian YouTuber and a makeup artist for the Lizard Beauty brand. If you just joined us, thank you so much. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining the family. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave your comments in the comment section and like this video. In this video, I'll just be showing you guys some essential brushes I use, because you'll be wondering, all these brushes in the market, all these brushes on YouTube, all these brushes on the internet, which one is very important? So in this video, I'll just be showing you the essential brushes for beginners and mainly the ones I use. All my brushes are from Zekiel Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand, so I'm very sure it delivers to all Nigerians. I don't know if it delivers outside, but I'm very sure it delivers to all Nigerians. So firstly, I will start with my powder brush. You guys can see the way it looks. I have like two. This one is the shorter one. I have a longer one there. I'm just showing the shorter one. This one is from their personal brush set, while the second one I have is actually from their professional brush set. You guys can see how it looks. It's very fluffy, very soft. You guys can see it's very full, but it's not packed together. It's just full and it has space for easy blending. This will allow you to blend your powder out very well. If it's very packed, it might be picking up the foundation on your face and picking out the product on your face, but you guys can see it's very free, it moves easily, so it will just allow easy powder blending. So guys, the second brush I'm going to talk about is my blush brush. You guys can see the way it looks. It's from the professional brush set, from the Zekiel professional brush set. It's not like well spread like the powder brush. It narrows down to a very tiny tip here. You guys can see it's for easy blush application. This brush, I use it to apply my blush, and I also advise for highlights. As a beginner, you can also use this as your highlighter brush. It might kind of scatter your highlighter, but at least I use this in this video to show you guys that at times you can use it to blend your highlighter, but not always. You can get another highlighter brush, but this one can also serve as a highlighter brush in case you don't have money to buy plenty brushes. You can manage this one for your blush brush and your highlighter brush. Guys, the third brush I'll be talking about is my contour brush. You guys can see how it looks. It's a bit angled. It's not like a straight angle, but then it went down from this tip, I guess from the left to the right, or when you turn it this way, it's from the right to the left. And just notice that the professional brush sets are quite longer than the personal brush set. So guys, see how it went, and it's not so packed. There's also a space, like it has a space. It's just okay for contour blending. I just use it to apply my contour, use it to blend out my contour very well, and it blends out very well. I guess there are other companies that also have these brushes, but I'm using these Zekiel brushes to show you guys. Guys, I'm kind of done with the essential face brushes. I'll go over to my eye brush now, and the first brush I'll be talking about is my favorite brush from the Zekiel brush set, and it's their eyebrow brush. This brush is for concealing your brows when you're done drawing it. You guys can see how it looks. It's angled like the contour brush, but you guys, obviously this can't be used for contour. This is for concealing your brows. You guys can see how thin it is. I have seen so many brushes and they're kind of packed, but this one is very thin and very slim. It just blends very well. This one is from the professional brush sets. I have the ones from the personal brush sets, but I prefer this one from the professional brush sets because this one is very thin. It moves very well. It conceals my brows very well without any problem. The next brush on my list is my transition brush. Guys, I have two brushes here. These two brushes are transition brushes. This one is from the personal brush set, while this one is from the professional brush set. I so prefer this one. This one gets the job done too, but I prefer this one. I kind of use this one today, but this one also gets the job well done. If you've been following me on this channel, you know I mainly use this one. Sometimes I use this one, but then this one is good. They kind of have to differentiate, but both of them do the same job. This one kind of has a straight cut, like the tip is straight, while this one is just scattered. But this one, I prefer this one because it blends it easily. So it's either you get these two. You guys can see the difference in the shape, but they are both transition brushes. They just get the job well done. So guys, the next brush I'll be talking about is my crease brush. You guys can see the way it looks. It's a lot like the transition brush, but then this one is a lot smaller and thicker, but it's in a pencil shape. It went straight. It's not like the blending brush that has easy space. This one is more precise, so it's just good for blending your crease. You guys can see the difference between it and my transition brush. The transition brush is kind of scattered, but this one is very precise, very thick. It's also from the professional brush set and it gets the job well done. So the next brush I'll be talking about are my blending brushes. These two, I have two blending brushes. This one is just straight, it's not angled in any way, but this one is a bit angled, in as much as this one is angled and this one is not. I use them to blend out my concealer before I apply my eyeshadow. I use them to blend it out, use them to blend the concealer for my brows, and it blends the concealer very well. You guys can see the way they look. Both of them are, this one is for the professional brushes, while I just got this one outside, but they look so alike, like almost the same thing. I even misplace them sometimes. They just look the same way, just that this one is angled and this one is not angled, but they both get the job well done. So guys, the next eye brush on my list is my lid brush. You guys can see the way it is. It's just a straight top brush, thin but not so thin. It has some hair packed in it, but it's not so thin. You guys can see the way it is, just straight. It's not like the transition brush, it's not like the crease brush. It's just way straight. Although it's too long, I would have preferred it to be shorter than the brushes I've used in the past, but this one also gets the job done. Just look at the shape. You guys can see the way it is. If you want to get a brush, just get a brush this shape, this exact shape, but I'll just prefer you get a shorter one. So guys, the last thing on my list is not a brush, but then it's very essential. Like, it's like my most important tool. It's called a blender. You guys can see the way it looks. This is a blender from the Zica Cosmetics too. I've used a lot of blenders in the past, even till now I have a lot of blenders, but this is my favorite blender. It's very soft. Yeah, now it's damp. It's damp because I used it, but then it's very soft. It blends very well and very easy. It has these three parts. It has this tip here. You can use this part very well to blend under your eye, like to get the job done. It also has this flat surface and has this round part, so you can decide to use any part of it. You can decide to use this, any part you want to use. You can use this to blend your foundation. A lot of people use brushes, but then I prefer to use a blender because this blender will help you blend the foundation and also help you blend out your concealer. You can decide to use this part to blend out your foundation, then use here to blend your concealer, or you can even decide to use here to blend the both. Anyone is your choice. I recommend, if you are in Nigeria, you get the Zica blender. I've used some blenders from the Nigerian brand, but this is the best I've used. Yes guys, this video is not sponsored in any way from the Zica Cosmetics. I just decided to show you guys the one I love, the brushes I've used, probably from the ones I've gotten. So guys, maybe if I get more brushes in the future, I'll do an updated makeup tool tutorial. So this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer. If you have any suggestion, just leave it in the comment section, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video, please share to your friends, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.